Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show it to you guys my small stockpile. So I started to do a couponing last April of 2020. So this is my third month of doing a couponing. So I only go in the store like once or twice a week because I'm trying to avoid to go to the store like often like other can do because of my health issue. And most of the time I go to the store early as possible so that there are only few shoppers in the store. And I only grab off the items that me and my husband love using, and some of it also I will send it to my family in the Philippines. So I already prepared the 2 boxes of balikbayan box in which I will put some of the items that okay to ship to the Philippines. So let's start now with the tour. So let's start with this beautiful plastic flowers. So I got these flowers in one of the Michael's grab bag. So for the price of 5, I got a lovely bouquet. So some of these are priced for $12, some are $4, $6, but it's in the grab bags and it's been priced for $5 for the whole bag. So I already arranged it. And in the lower part, here are some of my Lysol spray. Some of it I bought in Walmart. And some are in the Dollar Tree store during the time that's still available. But now it's so hard to find. And in the other side, I have a small shelf here in which my household supplies has been put. So I have 6 big bottles of the soft hand soap. It's 1.47 liter that I bought in Walmart before. I have some Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, and I have Downy Unstoppable, and this is my dishwashing liquid. Most of this I bought it in Walgreens for free using my points and some of the reward. And in the upper part, I have my wipes. I have my sanitizer, and I have 2 bottles. And some of the Renosat air freshener. I do have some small hand soap. So that's my household items. And in the other side, it's the shampoo and conditioner pile. And then we bought the rack in the Home Depot. So I have Garnier here. I have Dove for men's and for women, and some of the L'Oreal. So the way I arrange my shampoo and conditioner, all the new will be in the back and the old is in the front, so that it's easy for me to grab which one is the old first for me to use and for my husband also use. And I have lot of Pantene here because I love using Pantene also, and some of this I will send it to my family. And the shampoo and conditioner in the Philippines is very expensive. So the Head and Shoulders, I have a lot of Head and Shoulders also because I always get it for free in the CVS every time I coupon. I always receive a nice CRT for shampoo and conditioner. And I have some of the Nivea lotion. I have 7 of the Nivea lotion. There is big bottle at the back. And the Eucerin, I love using Eucerin. It's nice in the skin, especially that I'm on treatment. My skin is very dry. That's why sometimes even I paid out of pocket in Eucerin, I grab it and still save some on the Eucerin. This one is, I got it for free in CVS because I have a nice CRT for this. This is the Aveeno for our daughter. I have 2 detergents. So that's my Head and Shoulder and Pantene and my Eucerin lotion. I have a lot of Suave also for men. So here are my Suave. Sometimes my husband use Suave also if there is no Axe available. That's why I love the coupon for Suave. I only have few of the Suave for women. I have some She Moisture here. I have not tried yet. I have some Aussie shampoo. The Garnier. And I only have 2 Nexus shampoo. So, and the Tresemme shampoo. It's the same. All the new is in the back and the old is in the front. So if there is a nice coupon for Tresemme and CRT, I grab those deal. And here are some of my laundry and some of my Downy. I only have 2 Downy. And most of this laundry detergent, it's free. Using points and using the spend deal. Here are more of the laundry. These are all my Tide. I only have 4 big bottle of Tide. And most of it, they are like 50 ounce. In the other side, more laundry. And sometimes the Arm & Hammer, there are buy one get 2 free. That's why I always grab it and use my points on it, especially in Walgreens. And in the other side, here are my oral care collection, my Criscope, and my Colgate, and some of Listerine, and the toothpaste. So the toothpaste, what I did is all the toothpaste that will expire year 2020 and 21, they are all in front. So this one are August 21, some are September 21. This one is August 20. So that I can see which one we need to use first. And at the back, those are the toothpaste that will expire for year 2022 and 2023. And I just noticed Colgate Optic White, they expire longer. Those are dated 2022 to 2023. And also my mouthwash. All the new stuff, it's on the back, and all old are in the front. And here is my body wash. So I enjoy using now the Irish Spring. It smells so good. It smells like the Suave or a mix of Axe body wash. That's why I love couponing for Irish Spring. So I have some of the allspice that I pick up during the beauty event in Walgreens. So I only have 5. And I have some of the Olay body wash. I have 10 Olay body wash. I have soft body wash. I have 2, 4, 7. And 2 Dove body wash. I have 3 Dove body washes in the back. So our Dove. In here, I also have St. Ives body wash. I only have 2. I couponed that in Walgreens. And I have 2 Axe Phoenix body wash. My husband loves using Axe and Suave. But I still have some Nivea here. And in the other side also, I have some of the bug spray. I grabbed this to Walgreens. It's buy one, get one 50% off. And I use my points here. And I have a $3 coupon for this. So this one is for my husband. And I have some sunscreen. Some of the sunscreen is upstairs because we're using it. So this is for our daughter. I have some of the copper tone. I have 5 copper tone for adult. This is the Gillette Venus Shave Cream. Some of the CeraVe lotion and cleanser. And more CeraVe lotion. And some of my deodorant. So my husband is using the Axe Phoenix deodorant. So I have some of this. And some of the, this one is the Secret. Some are Old Spice. Old Spice. I have the Mitchum. And Speed Stick. Oops. And in the upper part, those are the lipstick, foundation, and the mascara. And here are my razor. I'll show it to you guys. So I bought this little shelf in the dollar store. So here are some of the Maybelline Fit Me Blush, some of the CoverGirl. I have some palette also here for eyeshadow. So I love couponing for Maybelline Fit Me Blush. And here is some of the CoverGirl pressed powder and some of the lipstick. Some of it I gave it to a friend. I let her pick up some of the items. And here are some of the mascara and the eyebrow pencil that always on free in CVS. It's my little, I let it open a little bit so that there will be an air inside. It's not gonna create moist. And some of the makeup remover is here. Cleanser. My Positions of Formula collection. Here's some of Olay. So it's in a little box. So I put that in here. And I only have few razor, Venus, and Skintimate razor. I have some of men's razor, also disposable and not disposable. I have some of the toothbrush. And this one, I got it for free in CVS during the week of freebie deal. This also, I got it in CVS for free. This is for free. This one is during the buy one get one deal. And I have coupon that I use for this. And this one, I got it for, I think $2 for this spray. This one, I pick up in Walgreens using the coupons and the points. Gonna go down because I'm standing in the chair. So in this side, here are some of my toilet paper and my paper towels. and it will last for us for months. I only have 2 of Bounty paper towels. The other one is at the back, and most of it is toilet paper. I don't have much because the store sometimes don't carry a lot of toilet paper, and I can't find a nice deal sometimes. And in the lower part, here are some of the Pampers because our daughter is still using diaper at night. And some of the paper plates. It's buy one get two free in Walgreens. And some straws. And some liners, panty liners. So I'm not using pads because I don't have ovary already. They took it last year because of my cancer. So every time there's a nice deal for liners, those are the items I pick up. And I will include some of it also in my balikbayan box. And I also have some of the foil. And also some of the freezer bag. And it's like buy one, get two free also in Walgreens. I have some of the trash bag. Some of it is already in our kitchen. And in the lower part, some of my Tide Pods, Gain, and also my bar soap because I love using bar soap also. Especially in the morning, washing your face with bar soap. It's very relaxing. And we use bouncy sheet also. That's why if there's a nice deal for sheets, I pick some sheet. And I have a lot of Tide Pods, So that's all for today's guide. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my small stockpile tour that I built for 3 months. So stay safe and have a blessed day to everyone.